What's the meaning of attack? Attack. Attack.
Attack. Attack. Attack is a verb that means to use physical or verbal force to harm, damage, or destroy someone or something. The result of an attack can range from mild injury or damage to severe harm or destruction. In some cases, an attack may be planned and coordinated, such as a military attack or a cyber attack, while in other cases, it may be impulsive or reactive, driven by anger, fear, or other emotions. The consequences of an attack can be devastating, causing physical and emotional trauma, loss of life, or long-term damage to property or infrastructure.